Umuulan pa naman.
May umuulan at kapiling ka.
Beautiful and still young looking Gretchen Barreto update. Kasama ang kanyang matalik na kaibigan na si Mime, dumating ang dalawa sa paborito nilang Ivy Clinic.
Hi! I heard the good news.
Habang nagpapahinga sina Gretchen sa loob ng clinic, pumasok si Dr. Ivy kasama ang kanyang anak para kumustahin sila.
I forget about
And you have a talk? For you or for Kelly?
me.
Wow.
And she randomly was
Wow naman.
special guest. Special guest.
Bagay at nagmumukhang dalaga pa si Gretchen Barreto sa kanyang suot na white t-shirt, black pants with white belt.
Look at, yeah, and look at,
For more, it's so funny because like when you wake up in the morning, when you go to the toilet, it's like if you walk like that, of course I have a big mirror.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, oh my God.
Habang kausap ni Gretchen Barreto si Dr. Ivy, pinapanood nila ang malaking TV screen kung saan makikita ang video ni Heart Evangelista.
no, it's your face now.
Really?
Yes.
Well, hey pretty one.
Samantala, super elegant ni Gretchen Barreto sa kanyang pink gown kasama ang partner niya bilang sponsor ng kasal na si Atong Ang. Kinuhang ninang at ninong sina Gretchen Barreto at Atong Ang sa ikakasal na ang An Santos couple.